eThekwini Mayor Councillor Cyril Xaba took a surprise walkabout along the beach promenade to engage with the holiday makers on their experience in visiting Durban.
We know that you're going to be doing a walkabout. We can see that you're already there. What exactly are you going to be interacting with the beachgoers with regards to?
Well, look, it's just a confirmation, firstly, and it's part of oversight. Because when we say our promenade is safe and we have visibility, I must see it for myself. So I'll be interacting with our law enforcement men and women who are on the ground, basically, and commending them for good work and asking them to keep up. I will also be talking to our visitors and basically thanking them for choosing the city of Durban, for visit, and then ask them to call again. I mean, we're in a business, so it's got to be seen to be with the people. I can see most people will be wanting to take photos with the mayor, because that actually is like it's like evidence that indeed I was in the city of Durban. Here is the mayor, who is the face of Durban. So this is what, and I will also be talking to the eateries around here, because they are the ones who really become the ambassador of our city. Because if people are not happy with the food they eat, they're not happy with the treatment they receive, they will stop coming to the city of Durban.
Mayor Cyril Xaba, thank you very much for your time. Well, that is the mayor of the city of eThekwini.
Eateries as well, they must also ready themselves. Imagine you come here and you don't get the best service, because the tour band are on leave, this, that, and so on. We're not expecting the numbers and so forth. Yeah. Mayor Tolopala, umphathi wenu ukhona ngaphathi. Mfuna ubuza ukuthi sisebenza kanjani. How are you doing? Good. Cyril Xaba, no? Mayor of the city of Durban. I came to say hi, just to check how it's very nice. Is it?
It's very peaceful on the
Very peaceful on the beachfront, yeah? Yeah. No problems.
We come to Durban every year.
Oh, every year? Oh, you love this place?
We love the promenade.
For how long have you been around here?
Yeah.
For how long?
Well, we came in February.
Okay.
So we leave tomorrow.
Okay.
So we've been
travelling around all
Traveling
around South
around.
Africa.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So this is your last stop before you take off
Last
Yeah,
day
yes, it is.
in Namibia tomorrow.
on Namibia, and then you.
Then back
Okay.
to the UK.
All right.
Yeah, nice
Enjoy your stay. Thank you so much. Good. Thank you so much. Sanbonani. How are you? Is it? You come back again.
Yes.
I know, sir. Come over down.
So much.
Come over. Oh, was it? Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Sure. Go ahead. Very good. Cyril Xaba here, Mayor of the city of Durban.
Well,
Everything is well.
We are happy. We're seeing improvement.
Hey, is it?
Yeah, that's why we are booked in Umhlanga.
Umhlanga, right?
We're seeing lots.
Yes. Oh, man, I'm happy to hear that. Yeah? No, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Banjani bathenga la mabefika?
Yeah, bathe.
Is it?
Yeah.
And but injani ama numbers, people coming thenga ama-ticket.
Njengoba kuyi-peak season kuye kube busy ngoba nama-tolls siyawanyusa.
Oh, is it?
Normally siba nama-tolls awu-2 ngosuku.
Okay.
But makuyi-peak season abamathathu.
Abamathathu.
Eniyibonayo nje ezophuma manje yesibili yosuku.
Yes, will also.
Yep,
And then the last one will be what time?
At 2 o'clock.
At 2 o'clock.
Yes.
Very last.
Yes, the last one.
You don't
for the day.
provide one, say in the afternoon, say.
No.
You don't have night tours. You know, I'm sure some people would love to see how the Durban, the
by
city
night.
looks like. By night, yeah, it looks like
No, kwamanje mesingakabi nayo.
Bengabi Island.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, no. Funny back on, eh?
Durban by night.
Utima.
Yes.
That's a long.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right.
All right. All right. Khamba kahle kodwa. Khamba kakhulu. Ngokwempilo. Kodwa ke umehluko uyabonakala sibuye kwi-COVID.
Ushona phansi.
Shona phansi sibuye kwi-COVID.
Ushona phansi.
Abafuna ukugibela.
Hayi.
kodwa ama numbers ayakhula nje la
Zakhula kodwa ke akuseyibo laba ababegibela.
akuseyo la bebegibela okay
Isingashona kwa.
izingalifika abantu mhlawumbe ngithathe ngisho lapha ngibuye yeah so bezobona ukuthi uyayenza lento
Yebo.
ungena la so bezobona ukuthi ay hey molo good u-70 nje kuphela bakwethu 70 nje kuphela befuna nje babone ukuthi iyenzeka lento yeah okay thank you so much okay sabonga kakhulu
Ngiyabonga.
thank you sure ngiyaphila
Siyaphila.
oh surprise nice
Kanjani?
so far so good kunjani wena
Yeah, so
hayi shopha phuma emanzini
ngiyana manzini manje.
awuze yongena khona
Ngiyana.
oh good how are you are you fine very good oh yes thank you so much sanibonani ninjani oh Ebenezer 7th Day Adventist ngikama kuphi le ndawo ngikama Joe's oh you see I know sebonga thing to come into interesting look at this
See, those people aren't getting water there. But
they had to get it huh?
They don't water. You know,
oh yeah, a little bit. Happen? Huh? Kapila. Acha msonza nini senza sibe bahle njengatolo.
Ake sibuze nje namhlanje usuku olubalekile ngoba it's part of the Easter weekend. Can you perhaps give us some idea ukuthi bangaka abantu abafikile la eThekwini bezovakasha nokuthi kusiza kanjani iTheku ukuthi libe nabantu abavakashile abazochitha imali la nesikhathi sabo?
Well, sike sasho ukuthi silindele abantu abacelela la ku 1.2 million ukuthi beze lapha ngedolobha lethu ngoba siyazi ukuthi ke leso sibalo leso bachitha imali ebalela ku 2.6 billion rand and kuvuleka namathuba alako 16,000 and sisibonile ke inamba abantu bafika bebengena lapha ku toll gate bethutheleka and nakuba abanye bebedlula baya eSouth abanye benye eNorth but iningi labo liphelele lapha edolobheni kuzothi ke singaphela ama Easter sihlanganise izibalo kulapho ke sobe sesinikeza khona abezokusakaza ukuthi lapha edolobheni bangaka abantu abagcine befikile kodwa abantu bajabule baqhamuka ko Free State baqhamuka ko Mpumalanga baqhamuka ko Gauteng baqhamuka nalo lonke izwe leli lase Ningizimu Afrika. You can easily say abantu base South Africa bala eThekwini so umongameli ngaphumula imina ngimbhekele abantu bakhe lapha kule dolobha lakithi.
Siyabonga mfethu ayisibuzeke lokhu kubaleke ngani ke ku eThekwini ubona abantu abaningi kangaka beza ngapha bezochitha isikhathi sabo nokuthi nje sibone ukuqhubeka ingabe kuyakhula noma kuyehla.
Si uzokhumbula ukuthi sihlonze ezovakasha njengomkhakha obalekile ukufukula umnotho walapha eThekwini. We are a tourist city, you know, so balekile ukuthi tourism ezokuvakasha siphakamise abantu abaningi babefuna ukuzukwa kuma conference beza la eThekwini bezofuna imidlalo emikhulu iza la eThekwini bezofuna ungcebeleka beza la eThekwini and sekubalekile ke manje ukuthi sikhuphule izinto zobumnandi abathi bezobefika eThekwini bakwazi ukuthi basithola ukuze bakwazi ukuthi mayiseThekwini umuntu abothi hey ngeke ngibuyele emuva ngayibona ngale ndawo nale ndawo ukuze bakwazi uku-extend ukwelula ukuhlala kwabo lapha edolobheni laseThekwini. Lokho ke kuzokusho ke ukuthi khula kufukula komnotho kuzovuleka amathuba emsebenzi. Bonke labantu abanamahotela, abanama B&Bs in townships and abanendawo zokudla okusho a business kubona bazoseqasha ke abantu kubona bazobalekelela ukunikezela labantu. Sithi ke abantu baseThekwini abaqhamuke bahlale ngasonke isikhathi beba friendly and beba warm and babamkele ngezandla zonke lezi sivakashi, bazamkele ngezandla zonke lezi sivakashi ngoba zilethe umnotho lapha eThekwini, zilethe amathuba emsebenzi lapha eThekwini. Ukuphepha kwabo kube yithina abantu baseThekwini abaqinisekisayo ukuze baphinde babuye futhi.
Yebo, kwezokuphepha ke nenze kanjani ukwenzela ukuthi wonke umuntu ake azizwe ephephile?
Well, uzobona nje mawuhamba la amaphoyisa ethu agibela amahashi ukuze bafike la imoto engakwazi ukufika khona, la bantu bethola la khona basemabhayisekelini and kuma-highways bakhona kunama roadblocks ebekade siwenza and uma roadblocks kuze labo ke abathi bangaphuza bangene bashayela imoto bange ingozi sibhekene nabo ngqo ukuze singabi negama elibi ukuthi njalo ngama-Easter kushona abantu. Asikho isidingo salonto ukuthi nje abantu kumele basiphathe kahle and ngalesikhathi lesi bahloniphe imithetho yemigaqo ukuze bagcine ukuphepha kwabo nokuphepha futhi kwabanye abasebenzisa umgaqo. Sibambisene ke la njengoba ngishilo amaphoyisa South Africa kanye nalaba ke ama private security uqinisekisa ukuthi i security yethu ukuphepha kwethu kusezingeni eliphezulu lapha eThekwini.